Hey, early bird, I see you there. You're getting it, girl. Greeting the sun, following purpose and the sound of your soul, willing to be the one to do it first, to do it alone, to do it uncomfortable. Early bird, hear me now. You have a song. You have a voice with a melody nobody's ever heard. Your song is going to change the world. So get up, early bird. Do your thing. I see you there making a swing like a bat on a ball, trying again when you strike out. We all know it's not how many times you fall, but how many times you're willing to get back up. Sing again. Swing again. Risk it all again. And there's something I'd like you to notice, early bird. You're not the only one. Stop for a moment and listen. Be still, really pay attention. You'll hear a symphony of early birds willing to help you rise, help you fly, help you sing that song. Reach out, share your voice, your purpose, your love. Dream big and out loud. It's not about fighting for that worm. It's about sharing the feast with your friends, forming a chorus, showing the world what a divine collaboration can really do. So go, early bird. I see you there. You're getting it, girl. I'm singing with you, and I saved you a piece of my worm. Let's eat together.